Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Is your Cudy AC1200 Wi-Fi extender not working or disconnected? In this video, I'll show you how to reset the Cudy AC1200 extender using the reset button, step by step, so you can fix connection issues and set it up again easily. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. Resetting a Wi-Fi extender is necessary to fix connection problems, slow speed, or setup errors caused by wrong settings or network changes. It also helps when the extender can't connect to the router or keeps disconnecting. A reset clears old data and lets you set up the extender fresh for better performance. Now plug the Cudy AC1200 extender into a wall socket. Switch on the power. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid. This ensures the extender is fully booted. Find the small reset hole on the side or bottom of the extender. It is usually labeled reset. Insert a paper clip or pin into the reset hole. Press and hold the reset button for 8 to 10 seconds. Keep holding until LED lights blink rapidly or LEDs turn off and restart. Do not release early, or the reset won't complete. Release the reset button. The extender will now restart automatically. Wait 1 to 2 minutes while LEDs flash. During this time, old settings are deleted and factory settings are restored. Reset is successful when LEDs stop blinking and stay steady. This means the extender is now ready for fresh setup. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.